Say hi. Wow. You two look great. Yeah, so baggy.
这个seal很 disco 哎。
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone.
我们今天来到 Granville Island。Granville Island 是一个历史非常悠久的地方，但有什么历史呢？请看字幕。因为我没有事先查，我本来今天没有想要录 vlog。我们今天要去看海豹，会看到那种50几只、上百只海豹。Let's go！ 耶！看这边所有的 artwork 都很有气氛。有人在穿全身套装，我们等一下也要穿。要穿这个套装，然后要签 waiver。Are you excited？ What？ 兴奋吗？就是很在前买神器。Are you excited, Anson?
We're selling it.
Okay, we're selling Anson. 他们还有那个整件的这个，我被水喷到。
I can assure you this will go a long way to optimize comfort.
我好帅哦！我好像那个 astronaut。
Astronaut is in the ocean.
他们都穿好了。Hi Joy， 你看起来很像米其林哎。
Wow.
Very movable, very good. 啊，你们俩为什么不穿好？他说可以穿一半啊。哦，真的哦。哦 ，OK。他们超 nice 的，还帮我们穿。我们来的是这个 Vancouver Adventures。
I love getting engagement out on the water.
那个是我们的
We are ready
captain。
to begin heading down to the vessel. So we're going to be
然后
crossing
这
through
个
an active boat
这个
yard.
是 captain， 这个是 crewmate。我只能说我们的 captain 还蛮帅的。哦，他冬天的时候都在教滑雪，是不是 captain？ 哦哟，帅哥！这边是温哥华最忙的 boat yard， 这边全季节都有人在开呀，跟 jet ski。然后很多人都其实有些人都会住船上，现在很流行船上的家。我们的船。
Well, the sides around it are inflatable. Those sides are called sponsons. They don't affect the boat's ability to float in any way. They really are just glorified bumpers. So as we're going, if there's any chance that we're going to get splashed, hopefully the sponsons will protect you and just hit me and Simon in the back.
你看我有这么兴奋，白痴，很闹。你要吐哦，还没开就吐了。
Okay, you guys are on Silver Mist. Woo!
上面是黄色的白色，它不秃的，它白色。怎么会有秃
？These are also apex predators, however. They will always kind of swing their weight around to basically take over other animals' meals. Like, for example, if they spy a bunch of crows eating something, they'll swoop in, scare the crows away, and basically take that food for themselves. Very impressive animals, though.
So we do not take our dog to West Vancouver.
海 跟熊是同一个那个 ancestor 祖先。
Harbor seals because it protects them from their most common predator. They're the killer whale, the New York.
哦，他们会在这边是因为附近会有那个 killer whale，
Right
这
now,
边可以躲藏
we are in
杀人
cupping season. So that means some of the seals will be extra fat because they are either soon to be or already mothers.
哦，现在是怀孕的季节，
Baby
怀孕
seals
跟
are
生
born
小孩
about
的
the
季
size
节。
of a burrito.
哦，生出来的
Their
burrito，
mother
他们移动的方法叫 lumping， 因为他们没有手脚。而且这边对那个野生动物都很尊敬，所以不能离太近。拜拜。